How to put 3 years on Roblox. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can put the 3 years on Roblox. So start by launching your Google Chrome. Make sure you have Roblox on your device as well. For that you can simply go on Google Play Store. On the top search bar you can tap Roblox and install it, and also update it if the updation is available. Since I've already installed it, there is no need to do it. But for changing the hairstyle, you must need to head on the website, which you can do it both by your phone or PC. So choose your preferred browser. I choose Google Chrome. On the top search bar, you can simply search for roblox.com. And now what you need to do is sign in. Log into your account. After logging into your account, your avatar will be visible right there. Now, after doing that, on the top left side, you will be seeing 3 vertical lines right there. You can simply go there and tap on avatar and choose the head as well. But you can also go on the marketplace and also search here for hair. And when you do that, many options of hair will be available here. You can choose any preferred hair right now, and you can select any 3 years that you choose. If you have logged into your Roblox account, and then you are done, the hair will be chosen, and then you can choose it and wear it on your game anywhere and anytime you want to. You can also tap on the discover, tap on the 3 vertical lines which is right there. After tapping on the 3 vertical lines right here, you will see the option of avatar if you have logged into your account, and after tapping on the avatar you can just tap to hair and cloth and choose the hair that you want to. And that's how you choose hair on Roblox. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment in the comment section below.